So where does the Pecik name come from?
Both my mother-in-law and my husband. It's a fun word.
Fun word.
Fun word, like chicks, you know.
Yeah, so it's Pecik then Pecik.
Correct.
Oh, okay, understood. All right, cool. How long have you been in business?
In Bali Main, it's about 4 years.
Ah,
But
Alhamdulillah.
before that, we in Jurong West.
Mm.
But then
Where do you move? I stay Jurong.
Really,
Ah. Yeah, and the crowd also is here.
Yeah.
It's a good location. What do I owe you?
21:30.
21.30, Other than walk-ins, dining in, any delivery?
Yes, we have delivery on juice.com.
Oh, okay.
Okay, thank you, Mom.
Right, I had to do that. This one, all Gen Z's taste bud.
Not really, more traditional taste bud.
So, your crowd, what age range?
30 plus. Also got young
Your best sellers?
chicken cutlet, the one that you order.
Love
But
spicy
the
food.
thing is about this got chili padi.
Ah,
Little bit only lah.
no worries. Lagi
Really
best.
like it for your
Okay.
kids, your children.
Thank you, very nice. Alhamdulillah. Murah rezeki, insyaAllah. Thank you. Thank you very nice. Assalamualaikum. From Pecik. You can get them either walk-in or online. Look at that ayam Pecik. The sauce. Yeah. Pecik.
Apa?
Sedap lah sauce.